Hello traders, today is Tuesday, January 22nd. If you missed yesterday's video, you can find it on our blog or on YouTube. We're looking at 1, 2, 3 winning trades to the long side. I like to see that because in my opinion, if we're in some type of a trend, and since the Sonic system loves to have multiple winners in a row, the next trade, which is going to be a long trade for sure, I'm going to take it. Now remember, trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. The Sonic system gives you the entry, and then it plots the target as well as the stop. That dashed line that you see there, there's the entry, 61.34.
Order submitted.
And so I want to go long at 61.34. The one thing that I do look at is whether or not the stop in comparison to the target makes sense. So let me just expand this out.
Filled.
All right, I'm filled at 61.34. You can see that the target and the stop are pretty much equal, 50-50. I like to see that because when you're looking at a trade, you don't ever want to risk so much more than what you're trying to gain. You have to give it some room, but in this case, this is about 50-50. Now, if you're using TradingView, it's the same exact signal on TradingView that it is on NinjaTrader. So if you're using TradingView, you have the option to have the Sonic system. We use price action, so everything that you're seeing here is based on price action. There is not any type of indicator linked to how the signals are generated, so we're not looking at momentum, RSI, channels, bands, MACDs. None of that is involved here on how this is created. We use the ATR actually for the profit target.
Filled.
All right, there's the target. This trade is about a 10-minute trade from start to finish, maybe a little bit less than 10 minutes. And that's really what I want to see. I want to see a profit target that happens sooner rather than later. So I look at risk to reward ratio. I look to see if there are previous signals and winning trades previously because of the high accuracy of winners that the Sonic system has. Typically we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 signals in a row that are winning trades, and we use price action. I also recommend not over trading. So if you've already taken 3, 4, 5 trades and you're up for the day, please take a break, stop trading. Tomorrow's another day. Over trading is a big problem. That's not something that I recommend anybody do. If you're using a range chart, tick chart, volume chart, the Sonic system works on any of those chart types. The profit targets are based on the average true range, the ATR, which is a great indication of whether the market is slow or fast. So it's a dynamic profit target. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com, sign up for a free member account, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We have live classes for the Sonic and mentorship, and I'll see everyone in class. Want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.